Hey guys, Becca here, and it's been a while. It's been about almost a month. When you're a single mother with 2 kids, and you know, that's just more of a priority than to sit in front of the camera and make videos about makeup. But anyway, enough of that nonsense. I have gotten a couple new things, and I'm bummed because I couldn't get the Electric Wonder. This is MAC's new collection called Electric Wonder. Packaging on this is gorgeous. Now I got the bronzer in Sunstrip. Yeah, it's got a strip. Sun-soaked strip. 2 main things. I wanted to get the eyeshadow palette, but they were sold out, and they just released it today. I mean, look at that. That is just gorgeous. Look at that color. Also, I did get the Aladdin palette. Now, I've had this for a while. I just haven't actually got to play with it. I saw a lot of reviews saying, look at this packaging though. Talking about, there should be more gel tone colors. I'm going to spray my face using the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Fine Mist. I'm going to go ahead and use the Banana Bright Eye Cream. Brightening CC Serum, focusing on the outside perimeter of my face. I'm going to use this Becca Love Brightening and Blur Primer. It smells really, really nice. Look very glowy. And I'm going to go ahead and just, that's 3 pumps. I'm gonna go in with the sponge to kind of smooth it out. That doesn't look bad. Or maybe light is too light. Light is definitely too light. Duh! It's 2.5, which is peach. Look at that. That is very, very natural. And it blends in effortlessly. Wow. So we're gonna get the creases out. Okay, so we're gonna let that set for a minute. I'm going to go ahead and set my face using the MAC Next to Nothing Pressed Powder. Use my Fenty Beauty brush to go ahead and set. Ooh, creases, honey, creases. Really like this powder. Oh my goodness. We're gonna go ahead and do eyes. We have the Aladdin, which I'm excited to use. Riff Raff. This is a really pretty color. A boo. And this is what I picked right here. A lot of people were complaining about this palette, like, where are the jewels? Honey, you want jewels in a jeweled palette? Go to Morphe Cosmetics and get you one of them big pretty palettes with all the pretty blue colors. Live the Genie Life. And I'm just going to stick that in the center right here. Now, Shadowy Lady's not black. Colors here. To bronze, we are going to use the Next to Nothing bronzing powder in Sun Soaked Strip. It's absolutely gorgeous. The Bad Gal Bang mascara. So I wanted to try the lipstick that I got in the Electric Wonders collection. Now this is the packaging and this is what it looks like. Is it not gorgeous? And I got Life in Sepia. First I'm going to go ahead and highlight and then we'll get to the lipstick. And for highlighter I'm going to use the Lorac in Gilded Lily. But we're just going to do like a quick little... Okay, so this is what it looks like. Alright, and this is Life in Sepia. This is